No more tough talk. It's time for the tough walk, or the walk of pain as we call it, here on the Wray and Nephew Contender. Gearing up to take the walk is our Team Jamaica boxer, who says he will continue the winning streak tonight and will deliver another upset. He may be smaller in weight, but he says he has the bigger heart. Please welcome Toriano, unpredictable kid, Nicholas.
My way over, wondering I am lost.
Canada needs to close that gap, and he is their man for the job. He's familiar with this arena and level of pressure, and we know why they gave him his nickname, so keep your eyes on him. He is Dave Fast and Furious LeBlond. Both boxers have told their tales, and now Patrick will tell his. Here is tonight's tale of the tape.
Thank you very much, Crystal. The tale of the tape, week 6 of the Wray and Nephew Contender series. And when you take a look at the tale of the tape, you have to tick the box in the age. LeBlanc is 9 years younger than Nicholas. He comes in 4 pounds heavier, closer to the limit. He's at 146.5 pounds. In the record column, LeBlanc 6 fights, Nicholas 3 fights, but the big difference is LeBlanc has had 84 amateur fights. But I think we have a dandy here tonight, and let's get all the details from ring announcer Oliver Hardy.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to you and welcome to the Chinese Benevolent Association Auditorium, Kingston, Jamaica, as TVJ brings you another night of explosive action sponsored by Wray and Nephew White Overproof Rum, guaranteed full strength. This bout is sanctioned by the Jamaica Boxing Board of Control with our president, Stephen Bomber Jones, and our vice presidents, Alexander Johnson and Lieutenant Colonel Derek Robinson. Our judges at ringside are Jeremy Hayes, Lawrence Newfield, and Ransford Burton. Our timekeepers are Valerie Murphy and Kemar Duncan. And our doctors at ringside, Dr. Andre McDonald and his Showtime team. Okay, boxing fans, here we go with our main event of the evening. 5 rounds of boxing in a welterweight matchup. And now, for the hundreds in attendance and the millions joining us around Jamaica, live from the CBA Auditorium, it's the Wray and Nephew Contender! Introducing to you first, boxing out of the red corner, representing Jamaica by way of Kingston, Jamaica, wearing black trunks with red trim. He weighed in at 142 pounds. He has a professional record of 1 win, 1 loss, 1 draw. The unpredictable kid, Toriano Nicholas. And his opponent across the ring, boxing out of the blue corner, representing Canada by way of Quebec, Canada, wearing blue trunks with white trim. He weighed in at 146.5 pounds. He has a professional record of 2 wins, 4 losses. Dave Fast and Furious LeBlanc. And our third man in the ring, our referee, Owen Nelson.
Gentlemen, this way. Gentlemen, you were brief in the dressing room.
Owen
Protect
Nelson,
yourself
one
at all time and follow
of
my
our
instructions.
better
at all time.
referees
Touch
in
gloves.
control here tonight. Godfrey Collins in the yellow T-shirt with coach on the back, the trainer of Toriano Nicholas. Frank Duguay steps out of the ring. Dave LeBlanc looks ready in the blue trunk with the white trim bouncing around. Toriano Nicholas in the yellow trunk. And LeBlanc comes out and is making Nicholas be aware that this is serious business. Nicholas looks dry. That's a concern of mine. Doesn't seem to have warmed up properly, whilst LeBlanc is warm and ready to go. Nicholas has to be careful because LeBlanc, as his nickname suggests, fast and furious, has very quick hands. Nicholas has speed as well, but I am just wondering if he is ready for this matchup against Dave LeBlanc. LeBlanc, despite having only 6 professional fights, 2 wins and 4 losses, as his trainer explained in the dressing room interview, Frank Duguay, not a lot of opportunities in Quebec City. LeBlanc going to the body of Nicholas, who is being patient. Nicholas promised a lot of movement, looks focused and concentrated. Seems to have been an accidental clash of heads. Both, wow, and it looks as though Nicholas has a cut around the left eye. So, an early, unpredicted problem here for Toriano Nicholas, who has perhaps lost his focus. The cut looks horrible. And LeBlanc is aiming at it. LeBlanc doesn't have a cut, and it will be interesting to look at the accidental clash of heads in the break after this round. A horrible cut around the left eye. Maybe we'll get a better picture when it is cleaned up. LeBlanc means business. Nicholas has his work cut out here. Nicholas danced away from any danger. 10 seconds to go, and his corner will have, Nicholas's corner will have a lot of work to do. And it must have been